Hi, my name is Linda Gould, and I found a simple app so that I can do long-distance duets with my students, and I wanted to share it with you. It's called the 4XCamera app, and it's by Roland, and it's free if you're only using 2 screens, which is all you need for piano duets. Here's what you'll need to create your own duet. All your student needs is a smartphone or some way to video themselves. And what you need is a smartphone to video yourself, plus some headphones. And I've also added in this picture an extension cable that I hook onto my headphones to free up my arms for playing, and a small adapter because I have an old-fashioned headphone jack and my phone now only accepts lightning, so it just adapts that. And that's it. I ask the student to video themselves or have their parents video them, and start off the video by going 1, 2, 3, clap. That allows me to sync myself with them. And then if we are starting the video together or starting the duet together, I ask them to count themselves in any way they want to. And here's an example.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, action.
To sync my video, I open the 4XCamera app, and at the bottom I click on the square and I go to the film strip and I select Callum's video. I say done, and now when I push the record button, it will play Callum's video in my headphones so I can play along with him. Okay, so I have my student's video on my phone here, and I've just got the phone propped at the end of my piano because I prefer them to just see my hands and the video focuses on the student. I have earbuds, which I will put in my ears so I can hear him, and I have a bit of an extension cable to give me some freedom here. All right, so I'm going to start the video and clap along to sync. There we go. Okay. When the video is done, I go into the app and I match us all up. And so to put this together, I open up the 4XCamera app. I go down to the bottom right here and I select the film strip. I select Callum's video and I select my video. And then I go into timing at the top. And here I can adjust the timing of the 2 videos. And I'm going to put this at about usually minus 25 for my video works, and I'm going to hit play just to see what it sounds like.
1, 2, clap. Ready?
1,
2, 3, clap. 1, 2.
So the claps were pretty much together. We'll give it a shot and see how it plays out.
1, 2, clap. Ready?
1,
2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, action.
All right, we started together. That's always a good thing. So now I say done at the top. And I'm going to go into choosing the layout. So instead of side by side, I'm going to choose top and bottom. And I can go into position. And I can zoom in on Callum. Volume. And I'm going to make him a little louder. And I'm going to make myself a bit softer. And I'll say done. And I can trim it. So I'm going to click on trim. And notice mine at the bottom has a length of 35.63 seconds, a little longer than his. So I'm going to trim out the length so that my length, actually I don't want his, batch setting means you trim them both the same. So I want to make my length just a little shorter than his. And I'm going to trim out at the beginning our clapping. And that way it'll do it both at the same time. So I've done, you can see the clapping in the left there in my hand. And so we're ready to play. So I'll do it right about here. Try what it sounds like.
Action.
and I like him saying action, so I think I'm going to leave that in. I think it's ready to go, so I hit done. And I can preview it, or I've already previewed it in the trim. I'm just going to hit start. It combines it. And we are ready to go. Let's see what it looks like. Go into photos.
Action.
I find